ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned that if I get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, I will take it. This is what I mentioned. And there was opportunity to look for buy. The best things was here, from here, all right? And even there was opportunity to look for buy either from here or here. That's why I mentioned any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And we wanted to see the breakout of the previous top. Anyway, we started the higher time frame, and if we move to the monthly chart, I mentioned that we are looking to see the breakout of the previous top. Because it will be the breakout of this correction, I mentioned I'm looking to as a first target. For the first target is a 2.4, but the price tag the previous top almost, but there is no breakout. And if I move to lower time frame, we have nothing else to discuss based on monthly. And if we move to lower time frame, weekly chart, all right, as we can, the price tag the previous stop. That's why I mentioned any opportunity for buy within this range based on lower time frame. That's mean 1 hour or lower time frame, we could take it. And if anyone get the trade for buy, at least they should know how to adjust it or how to book some profit. I mean, adjust the stop loss. Because if the price, we are looking to see the breakout of the previous stop. If the price could break the previous stop, then we're looking for 2.4. If not, maybe this correction can turn to deep, more complex. But at this point, we don't need to, we are not looking for the reversal. We're looking to see the breakout of the previous stop. And based on weekly, we have nothing else to discuss. And if we move to daily chart, similar explanation. All right. The question is whether we can get the daily flag or not. Okay. By the way, at this point, even based on daily, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to lower time frame, this is what we got based on 4-hour chart. We don't need to really care about the divergence at this point because we don't see the really clear divergence based on the MACD. That means we're looking for continuation, but how to look for the trade setup at this point? I don't see any trade setup based on 4-hour chart. And how about if I move to 1-hour chart? How we can look for trade based on 1-hour chart? For me, personally, if I want to trade based on 1-hour chart, if I get one more drop, the price tag the previous low, then we can put our entry above here. And what we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue. And if the price tag within the first or maximum second hour, there is no continuation, we should take with the trade. And how about if the price continue from here? To look for trade within this range, we do the price drop to the previous low. It depends on the strategy the traders are looking. Maybe we should look for trade based on lower 15 or 5 minute. But can we put our entry above here? For me, I'm not really interested to put my entry above here. It doesn't mean we cannot, but I'm not interested. That's why I prefer to see the next drop, then I put my entry here. It can give me better opportunity that if the price couldn't continue, it can give me better opportunity to take out the trade, or better, I can manage my trade better rather than putting my entry above here, then the price tag, and then thereof. Okay, we are not going for the reversal. If the price could tag this top, there was no continuation, maybe the price can consolidate here for a longer time before we see the continuation, as I mentioned, based on daily chart, because maybe we get the flag based on daily chart. By the way, at this point, if anyone wants to look for trade, it depends again on the strategy they use. But for me, if I get the next drop based on 1 hour, I will put my entry above here. To look for trade within this range, maybe we have to look for the 15 or 5 minute chart. By the way, with the breakout of the, if I move to daily chart, with the breakout of the previous stop, which is somewhere around 2145 or 2142, then I'm looking for 2.4 as a first target, following by 2.9. Okay, that means the next target we can look for, if we get any opportunity for buy, is 2.4 at least. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.